There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Just fucking do it. Subscribe now. You can sum up the obstacles that between your ears you're going to have down to one word. Not fear we've already talked about. One word, rejection. Because that's what the fear manifests itself in, is the rejection. If nobody rejected you in the QLA process, and it was just, 2 plus 2, it'd be a slam dunk, right? We know that. So it's really down to rejection. Rejection transcends the fear of failure. Because when you fail, normally only you know that you fail. And that's why I don't, but most people set low standards so they can get over the bar. When we talk about goals, for the first, I'm stealing my thunder from day after tomorrow. We set goals that we can't achieve in our lifetime. There are no limits. There's no amount of zeros at the end, and it's as fast as humanly possible. Most of the things that you've learned about goal setting is time frame. It's not by accident that I got super wealthy on my 39th birthday. In the back of my mind, I always said I had to do it before I was 40.